Are you looking for a way to improve the appearance and health of your skin? Then look no further than essential oils. As their popularity increases, more and more people are becoming aware of the many benefits that these oils can provide. From reducing wrinkles to treating blemishes, essential oils offer an easy and natural way to get the skin you've always wanted. So what are you waiting for? Harness the power of essential oils today and have beautiful, healthy skin tomorrow. Let me show you how in this video. Welcome back to my channel. I am Stacy Paulson. I am an essential oil educator. I am a business and health coach, as well as the mother of 6 amazing kids. And I help women to look and feel great using natural products like essential oils and natural anti-aging tips. Choose the right oil for your skin type. So let's face it, not all essential oils are the same. Some are more suitable for certain skin types than others. So if you have oily skin, try an oil like lavender. If you've got dry skin, a heavier oil like geranium should do the trick. Make those skin worries disappear. And my favorite natural anti-aging tip is using frankincense essential oil for all skin types. So before I get into how to use essential oils for skin, let's first debunk some myths or questions that I often get about essential oils for skin. So can you put essential oils on your skin? I get a lot of questions like this, including how do I apply essential oils to your skin? Or how do you apply essential oils to your skin? What happens if you put straight essential oil on your skin? Or how do you dilute essential oils for skin? And then finally, a lot of people will ask, can you put 100% pure essential oil on your skin? Well, here's the thing. First, I wouldn't put most essential oils on my skin. And here's why. Because they're synthetic. They're synthetic, and you will do more harm to your skin than you would just not using it at all. But when you do use 100% pure and potent, straight from the plants as God made them, they are invaluable to skin health. So how do you dilute essential oils for skin? It's essential, no pun intended, to always mix up your oils with whatever carrier oil that you're going to be using in your skin. So never forget to dilute your oils. Why? Because they are more effective with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil, and you're ready to go. Once you've mixed the essential oil and your other oil together, you're ready to go. Too strong of an essential oil, you might have a skin sensitivity. So don't forget the do's and don'ts of using essential oils. If you're new to using essential oils for skincare, or if you're looking to get the most out of your current routine, I will share some tips in this video for how to get started. You may also want to grab my essential oils guidebook, download the PDF with all the do's and don'ts and additional tips and recipes, so you'll just have that on hand. You can find that down in the description. So here's what we're going to do. Number 1, you can mix essential oils with your facial serum. So if you have one that you love, you can put essential oils in that. One of the best ways to use essential oils on skin for skincare is a facial serum. Simply add a few drops of your chosen oil or oils to a base such as aloe vera gel. And then you'll just apply the serum to your face after cleansing and before applying your moisturizer for a lightweight, non-greasy feel. Number 2, use as a spot treatment. If you're dealing with blemishes or acne, you can use essential oils on skin as a spot treatment. Simply apply a drop or 2 of diluted oil directly to the affected area. Some great oils to try for this purpose include tea tree oil, lavender, and rosemary essential oil. So the third way that you can use essential oils for your skin is to make a face mask. So face masks are a great way to give your skin a boost of hydration and nourishment. You can make your own mask by adding a few drops of essential oil to a base such as raw honey or clay. You can apply the mask to your face and then you just leave it on 15 to 20 minutes. I usually will do it in the morning, be doing things, or at night before I take a shower, and then you rinse it off. Number 4, so you can blend your essential oils with your favorite cleanser. So if you want to give your cleanser a little extra power, try adding a few drops of essential oils to it. This will help cleanse your skin more deeply, and it will also help leave it feeling more refreshed and invigorated. And then before I share the last 4 tips, if I missed something or you find something that you have loved in this video that you want to incorporate, can you go ahead and let me know in the comments? I love feedback from people. So number 5, you can add essential oils to your bath. So for an extra special bath, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to some Epsom salts. And the reason you want to do that is so that the oils don't just sit on top of the water. And this is a great way to get the benefits of the oil while also enjoying the relaxing effects of a warm bath. So number 6 is to make a body scrub. I absolutely love this. If you're looking for a way to naturally exfoliate your skin, try making your own body scrub. Super inexpensive, and then just adding your essential oils. So simply add a few drops of oil to a base such as sugar or salt and use it to gently rub your skin in the shower. And then number 7, use essential oils on your skin with a massage oil. So essential oils make great massage oils because they can help you to relax, not just physically, but also emotionally, that it relaxes your body and your mind. So simply add a few drops of essential oil to a carrier oil such as olive or argan oil and use it for your next massage, or just take the bottle with you to your massage therapist. Number 8 is diffuse. So if you're looking for a way to enjoy the benefits of essential oils without applying them directly to your skin, try diffusing them. This is a great way to enjoy the scent of the oil while also getting the benefits of those aromatic compounds. And it's the fastest way to impact your mood and emotions. I have a whole playlist on diffusing essential oils. I have recipes and the best diffuser options that are out there. You can go ahead and click that down in the description. You can also find my essential oils guidebook. Make sure that you grab that. And using essential oils is an easy and effective way to make your skincare routine even better. So with countless combinations of oils and methods, you can make sure that you're using the perfect mix of your skin type and preferences. So don't miss out on the chance to discover everything that essential oils can do for you. Make the leap to start exploring today. Come join me in my free lifestyle upgrade group where you can learn all the tips and tricks to using essential oils, including how to get paid to live healthy. Imagine how that would feel to have all of your health tools paid for and more, because help is expensive. Check out how thousands are doing this around the world, and I will go ahead and link up my 5-minute video for our Get Paid to Live Healthy wellness program.